Okay, we've got breaking news coming in. The Mustafabad winner, who is the BJP candidate, Mohan Singh Bisht, has now promised that he will be changing the name of the constituency. Has said that from Mustafabad, we will rename it to Shivpuri. And this after the BJP, of course, has come to power. The MLA-elect here, Mohan Singh Bisht, claims that part of his campaign, he did highlight and promise that he would change the name of Mustafabad to Shivpuri. And in line with that, he said it will happen very, very soon. Shreya Chatterjee is joining us with more details on this. So Shreya, this no doubt is going to lead to a lot of political back and forth, but essentially here the BJP MLA-elect making it clear that this was a promise he made, and so he's going to fulfill that promise of renaming Mustafabad.
Well, Akshita, you know, it doesn't really come as a surprise because this is very much a part of the politics of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and it comes from one of those Muslim-dominated pockets, Mustafabad, remember, which actually reeled under the Delhi riots. Mohan Singh Bisht, in fact, during his campaign, had made this promise that if he gets elected, he will be renaming Mustafabad either to Shivpuri or Shiv Bihar. So on those lines, today when he was asked the same, he's saying that obviously he will be fulfilling that. I mean, it is indeed something which will be stirring controversy within the residents of Mustafabad. But so far as Mohan Bisht's statement is concerned, this is something indeed that they had promised during their campaigns run up to the Delhi elections.
Okay, we'll track all the reactions that come in. Mustafabad, the BJP has been elected to power in a constituency, interestingly, that had the largest voter turnout, was one of the rioted areas of Delhi. And this mandate given to the BJP, the MLA-elect says, is also to change the name from Mustafabad to Shivpuri, because that was a promise that he'd made to the electorate there.